Estudyante ka ba? Empleyado? OFW? Housewife? Or ikaw ay isang struggling network marketer? Alam ko, isa sa mga dahilan kung bakit mo pinapanood ngayon to kasi kung estudyante ka, wala kang pera, nahihiya ka lagi na manghingi ng allowance mo, at isa rin malamang sa gusto mo is tumulong sa mga magulang mo. Kung empleyado ka, yung kinikita mo, enough lang para sa pambayad sa mga bills at gastusin mo. Baka nga minsan, kapos ka pa or wala nang natitira sa'yo. Kung OFW ka naman, malamang nagsasawa ka na sa paulit-ulit na pag-alis mo ng bansa. Gusto mo namang magkaroon ng oras para sa pamilya mo at syempre para sa sarili mo. Housewife? Yan ang pinakamahirap na trabaho sa lahat. Iniisip mo kung saan ka kukuha ng panggastos para sa mga anak mo. Kung ikaw naman ay isang struggling network marketer, kahit hindi mo sabihin, alam ko na alam mo sa sarili mo na napapagod ka na. Nahihirapan ka na, ang tagal-tagal mo nang ginagawa yung mga bagay na yan, pero hanggang ngayon hindi ka pa rin satisfied sa resulta mo. Hindi ba panahon na para ma-rewardan mo naman ang sarili mo sa mga bagay na naisacrifice mo na? Dalawa lang ang pinapangarap at gustong-gusto nating magkaroon, lalo na dito sa Pilipinas. It's time freedom and financial freedom. All you need to have are PC, laptop, and internet. May PC or laptop at internet ka ba sa bahay mo? Gusto mo bang malaman kung paano gamitin ang mga bagay na yan para pagkakitaan? Simple lang. Join our online MLM Explosion and Pro 7-Figure Mastermind team today. Ang online MLM Explosion and Pro 7-Figure Mastermind team ay mga organizations ng mga social media expert, web developer and designers, SEO and search engine optimizers, internet marketers, affiliate marketers, programmer, network marketer, at marami pang iba. Ang goal namin is matulungan ng mga tao na sawa na sa hirap, gustong magkaroon ng time and financial freedom. Lahat ng ito ay pwede mong gawin from the comfort of your home. Let us show you yung mga possible na kikitain mo once na mag-join ka sa online MLM Explosion and Pro 7-Figure Mastermind team. Once na sumali ka sa aming team, you will get these 3 most important benefits that cost around thousands of pesos in the market. Benefits of online MLM Explosion and Pro 7-Figure Mastermind team. Number 1. Internet marketing and MLM recruiting video training modules. Attraction marketing. How to become the hunted instead of the hunter. Personal branding. How to brand yourself so that the prospect will perceive you as expert. Social media mastery. How to promote your business using top social sites. Lead generation. How to generate endless sources of targeted leads to your MLM business. Pay-per-click mastery. How to master the single most important and effective traffic tactic. Autoresponders. How to connect to your prospects automatically, and many more. Number 2. Unbeatable internet system for recruiting, sponsoring, training, and downline building. Weekly webinar session for easy invitation. Real-time web training for real-time learning. Exclusive Facebook group for members networking. Hassle-free membership with easy encoding and cheap product shipping by our leader and mentor, Luel Magdadaro. MLM or network marketing ebooks for your learning. Branded sales and landing page. Number 3, trusted and passionate leaders who are willing to help. Expert in their particular field, full-time internet marketer, can walk their talk. So kung titingnan mo, a 215,000 value package will be yours for free kapag sumali ka sa team namin. Sulit na sulit at sinisigurado namin worth it ang pagsali mo sa team namin. No need to struggle anymore. Yung mga ginagawa mo dati, di mo na kailangan pang gawin para lang mag-success ka. Change is constant. It's either you adapt to it or to be left behind. In a fast-paced era where all people are busy minding their own businesses, this is the great opportunity you shouldn't miss. Hindi to hype, hindi rin to gimmicks, we walk our talk. Fill up the sign-up form below and take advantage of the freebies that we will give to you as a welcome gift.